Guys, tayo ay magluluto ng adobong tuyo. Nilagyan ko na siya ng isang kutsarang sugar, no? Adobong tuyo ang gagawin natin, guys. So, maglalagay na tayo ng tuyo, soy sauce, no? Let's put some soy sauce. Toyo, baga toyo. Ayan. Okay. And then vinegar. Ayun, yan ang pinakatubig niya, no? Maglagay tayo ng dahon laurel. Dahon laurel. At saka buong paminta, black pepper. Napakabango, guys. Super bango. So, wag muna natin hahaluin kasi yung suka. May suka, guys, bawal haluin kapag hindi pa kumukulo. Yan. Hi guys, for our dinner is chicken adobo. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Oops. Wow. Perfect. Yung adobo natin, napakasarap nito, guys. Perfect. Alam mo, guys, hindi na I never put some salt because the soy sauce it's so hard to speak English because the soy sauce tasty, salty. Kasi yung tuyo maalat na, kaya I never put some salt. That is why. Ayan, guys. Napaka-yummy ng ating adobo. Ayan. Ayan, guys, yung ating ulam, chicken adobo. Ayan na, guys, luto na siya. The sauce, look at that guy, the sauce. Ayan na yung aking adobo, guys. Chicken adobo for dinner. Ayan, guys. Look at that.